Hey everyone, today we're exploring the Vivo V40, a mid-range smartphone packed with surprises. Ready to see what makes this phone special? Let's dive in. First, the Vivo V40's 6.78-inch AMOLED display. With a 1.5K resolution and 120 Hz refresh rate, every swipe feels fluid. Plus, HDR10+ and 4500 nits peak brightness make it stunning in any light. What powers this display? The Qualcomm Snapdragon 7 Gen 3 processor, perfect for gaming, streaming, and multitasking. Pair that with up to 12 GB of RAM and 512 GB of storage, and you've got seamless performance and space for everything. Never worry about storage again. Worried about battery life? The Vivo V40's 5500 mAh battery ensures all-day power, and 80-watt fast charging gets you back to full in no time. Next, the cameras. Dual rear 50-megapixel Zeiss lenses capture stunning photos, and the 50-megapixel front camera makes your selfies shine. Rounding out the features, an under-display fingerprint scanner, IP68 rating for dust and water resistance, and Android 14-based FunTouch OS 14 for a smooth experience. So, what do you think about the Vivo V40? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more reviews and tech updates. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.